Hey there, Amar here, and today I've got something really exciting for you, a special affiliate offer that will allow you to have your own digital product ready to sell and make profits minutes from now. Yes, you'll be able to slap your payment button on this same sales page that you're looking at right now and start selling today. Not only that, but you can also make good affiliate commissions on the back end when you deliver this PLR package to your customers. So you receive 100% of the money when you make a sale directly to your account, and then you'll be able also to make potential commissions on the back end on this page when you deliver the PLR package. And if you are a VAFT member, you will receive this special affiliate offer today for free, completely for free. You get at least one affiliate offer per month when you are a VAFT member. Now let me explain how this affiliate offer works, then I will show you the setup process step by step. It will take you just a few minutes to set it up and start selling and receiving the sales money directly to your PayPal account. So you will have instantly access to this same sales page that you are looking at. You can import it to your Leads Leap account and you can slap your payment button on it. Everything is done for you. You don't need to change anything. The only thing that you want to do is put your PayPal payment button right here and start selling. You will also get the same copy of this thank you page or delivery page that will deliver the package, the PLR package, with this button here. But you will be able to stick your affiliate links on this offer here that will make you up to $68 per sale. This is a related offer, so people that purchase the main offer, most likely they will also consider purchasing this offer here. Also, this delivery page invites people to be part of the VAFT network or offer, and if they do, you will make 60% monthly recurring commissions. So on this page, you deliver the unrestricted PLR package, and also you invite your buyers to be part of the VAFT, and also if they want to purchase these capture pages, you will make up to $69 per sale. So if you ever wanted to have your own digital products to sell, this opportunity is for you. So in minutes, you will have this sales page that offers 50 responsive squeeze pages package with unrestricted PLR rights. People will download these capture pages, as you can see here, 50 of them, and they can use them and resell them with unrestricted PLR rights, and this is why you can do the same. When you import instantly this page to your Leads Leap account, you will edit it right here and put your PayPal button here. So everyone that you send to your copy of the sales page who makes the purchase, the money will go to your PayPal account, and PayPal will redirect your customers to your copy of this thank you page right here. But before you will come here, you can just leave the download button as it is. I'm like delivering the package for you if you want, but you can also download the package, host it somewhere, and attach that package to this button right here. You can also ask for your affiliate link for the capture pages offer from this link here and then slap it to this button. I'll show you how to do that in a few minutes, and also get your affiliate link for the VAFT and attach it to this red button here. So like this, everything is ready for you. You have your own digital product that you can sell, and also on the back end you might make affiliate commissions selling this offer and this offer as well, which will make you recurring commissions. And there are other opportunities inside of the viral affiliate fast track offer that can make you more recurring commissions. Now let's go ahead and set up the special offer. The first thing you want to do is import the pages to your Leads Leap account, the sales page and the thank you page. After that, we will edit the thank you page, and then edit the sales page. So go to the left side and find Page Manager, click Add a New Page, and give it a name. It has to make sense. Let's call it 50 PLR Squeeze Pages. This is the sales page title. I will just add now, and I want to import the design of the sales page I showed you before. I click on this button here, and I will paste the share code right here, and then click the button import. I'm just going to do it and show you. I just did, and the page has been imported, and if I click on this link here, you can see that I have the same copy of the sales page that I showed you before. Later, before the end of this video, I will show you how to make your PayPal button and put it right here so that anyone who makes the purchase, the money will go directly and instantly to your PayPal account. Now let's import the delivery page or the thank you page. We want to click add a new page and give it a name. I will call it TY for 50 SQ pages, and then I will click add now. This is a second page, and I'm going to import now the design that I showed you before for the delivery page. I'll put the share code here and click the button. I just did, and as you can see here, if I click on this link here, you will see that I have the same copy of the thank you page that I showed you before. If your customers will click here, they will download the PLR package without any links in it, without any references. Everything is like neutral. You don't worry, if you don't want to host the package yourself, I am hosting it for you. But what you need to do is change the links on the blue button on top and also on the red button at the bottom. They must be your affiliate links so that your customers, if they make the purchase here or here, you will make commissions from that. And to do that, very easy, I prepared these links for you. So you click on this link here to go and request your affiliate link for this offer. So there will be a button here to request approval. When you are approved, your affiliate link will be somewhere here. You copy it, and then you go back to your Leads Leap, and you click here Launch Editor in front of the thank you page, so that you can make changes on the page itself. So you select this button and you paste your affiliate link for this offer. You paste it right here. Select the button, paste your link here, and save the changes. And you do the same for the red button here. So let me go to your copy of the thank you page, this one. So you go at the bottom, you click on this link here so that you'll be able to request approval for this offer. Once you get the approval, you copy your affiliate link somewhere here, and you go back to the same editor. You select, make sure you select the right button, the red one, and you paste your affiliate link for the VAFT offer right here, and you save the changes. So what happens is that if your customers buy the 50 pages, the 50 squeeze pages, they will be taken to this page where they can download the package. But if they are interested in this offer or in this offer and they purchase, you will make commissions from this. Now, the last thing you want to do before start selling your own digital product is create the button inside of your PayPal account. Take the link for that button and go attach it to the small image where the payment button is. So once on your PayPal dashboard, you want to click on this gear here at the top right side, and then on this menu you click on Seller Tools, and then you click here on PayPal buttons. So when you click here, you want to take the second option here. If you don't have a business account, take the second option and click Buy Now. So you want to give some information about the button and the price and the delivery page, and then grab the link and take it to your Leads Leap. So first of all, you don't want to tick anything from here. You can just give the product name here. So I already put the product name here, Unrestricted PLR 50 responsive squeeze pages. Let's put it just PLR 50 responsive squeeze pages. You put the price here. I suggest you sell it more than $12. So let's just put $17 USD. I don't need to put a product ID. So you want to choose if it's small button or large button. You want to choose if it says buy now or pay now. You can choose the country and the language. And then of course you want to go for more options where we can put the delivery link, the thank you page link. This is very important. So you want to go where it says optional settings, not optional tracking, optional settings, and then you click the arrow and then you go here down where it says return URL. This is where your customers will be taken after they successfully complete the checkout. What the link needs to be here is the link of your thank you page, your copy of the thank you page. So let's go grab it. Here is your copy that we just imported, and we changed the links on the buttons here. So you grab the link for this thank you page, and then you want to go back to your PayPal and then paste it right here. So I'm not going to paste it, but you can just paste it right here, and you put the sales page URL here. If they cancel the checkout, they will be taken back to the sales page, and after that you click save the button, save and create the. Very important to specify your thank you page right here where it says your return URL, and the sales page you put it right here. So these are just examples, but you need to put your real thank you page here, the one you imported, and your real sales page right here, and then you click the save button. So now PayPal will give you a code, but you don't want to use this code. Use link, email link. So you copy this link here and you go back to your Leads Leap, and you want to open the editor of the sales page. So click launch editor in front of the sales page, and then you want to go all the way down, find the payment button on it. Let me do it. I go all the way down to the payment button, and then you select the button and you stick your PayPal link right here on this spot here. It says go to a website, and you want to select the whole link here, and you paste your link for the payment, and don't forget to save the changes. So next time people, when they land on your sales page and they click the payment button and proceed with the payment, the money will go to your PayPal account, and the customer will be taken to your copy of the thank you page. So here you have it, guys, a digital product ready to use, ready to be sold. And let me just remind you that when you are a member of the VAFT, you get at least one affiliate offer like this a month, plus other resources and strategies that I will be sharing with you by email. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.